Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we're diving into the electromagnetic wave theory, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Electromagnetic wave theory. In 1884, Heinrich Rudolf Hertz gave an electromagnetic wave theory in which he gave following postulates. Whenever a charged particle revolves around another charged particle, the revolving charged particle trace, spiral path, motion of revolving charged particle could be accelerated. The revolving charged particle keep losing radiation in the form of electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic waves. These waves do not require a material medium for their propagation in the space. These waves consist of oscillating electric and magnetic fields in a direction perpendicular to each other. The direction of propagation of EM waves is perpendicular to both the oscillating electric field and magnetic field. Characteristics of electromagnetic waves. Amplitude. The maximum displacement traveled by a wave from the mean position, either in positive direction or in negative direction, is termed as the amplitude of the wave, SI unit, meter. Wavelength. The distance between the maxima minima of two trough or crests is called wavelength. Psi unit, lambda. Frequency. The number of cycles of a wave passed through a point per second or per unit time, measured in seconds. SI unit, hertz, one cycle of wave, mile one crest, plus mile one trough, wave number. It is defined as number of wavelength present in per meter of the distance or per unit length. Psi unit, meter, speed. Electromagnetic waves, speed par is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Relationship between speed, wavelength, frequency, wave number. First relation is that speed of light is equal to wavelength into frequency. Second relation is that speed of light is equal to 1 by wave number into frequency. Third relation is that wave number is equal to 1 by wavelength. Fourth relation is that frequency is equal to wavelength into wave number. This was the electromagnetic wave theory. Now we will do some numericals in the next lecture. Thank you, and keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.